So I'm going to take a quick video to send to HBX tech support to demonstrate some of the strange behavior. Here you see the two boilers both not running, they're in standby. If you come over to the panel here, you'll see that the internal slab temperature says it's 52 degrees. I actually have a target of 20 degrees, and right now it is actually in, and I will show you, it is in, it is in standby idle mode, right? So it's in standby idle mode, and if I go to the slab setup, you'll see I actually have the idle temp at 20 degrees Fahrenheit and the melt temp at 25, which is odd, you ask, but if you come back here to the main screen, you'll see a slab temperature of 52 degrees Fahrenheit and a target of 20. So now when I go to the system setup and I put it into force melt mode, you see it's going to immediately turn on. Or maybe, let's just go back here and see what the screen says now. That's interesting. Oh, it's in warm weather shutdown. So let's go back to the design temps and let's just crank up the warm weather shutdown. There we go. So it's 38 degrees. And now you see what happens. It's now in forced, the demand type is forced melt. It's no longer in warm weather shutdown. And the slab temperature went from 54 degrees down to 6. So now it's actually going in idle heat. So it's going to try to get into my target of 20. So my question is, why does it change the slab temperature when I go from idle standby to force melt, right? So it says idle now. It's going to try to get it to that idle temperature. So I have it so low because I'm actually know that a temperature of 20 is really 65 degrees slab internal, according to when I'm in the other screen. So right now you'll see boilers are kicking in. So they're both, this one system, this one's actually kicking in boiler. So yeah, they're kicking in right now. So do not understand why I have to mess with the target temperature so much. And so what it's going to do here is it's going to take it to 20 degrees Fahrenheit and turn off. And then if I go back to idle standby, you'll see that the actual temperature will be 65 degrees internal slab temperature. So that doesn't feel right to me. And I think I can get it to work by gaming the target temperatures, which still seems strange, but just trying to understand this a little bit better. So thank you.